Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to add a voucher to Uber Eats. To add a voucher to Uber Eats, the first thing to do is to open up a web browser and log into Uber Eats account. Type in ubereats.com inside your URL box and you will then land in the main homepage. Sign into your account. Once you are signed into your account from the main homepage, scroll through the list of foods or restaurant and then select your desired food and add your food in your shopping cart by clicking on the plus button. Customize your order according to your preference and then click on add. Once you add the product in your shopping cart, you can simply reach out and open up your cart by clicking on the cart icon at the top right hand corner. After you are done, you can click on go to checkout to reach out to the checkout page. Here you can go ahead and select your delivery address, your delivery type, and under payment, click on the add button right next to add promo code. Now enter your promo code in the text box on the next page. Click on apply once you are done and you will be able to enjoy your discounted meal from Uber Eats. So that is how you can easily add a voucher to Uber Eats in a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.